video. Better I can share button. Mathematical post to picture this guy born on a handcuff when you may arrest. Opposed to that video, go away with here, we more call the guy. Can the man wear more? Which phone are you will record? Now, when you shake the picture of this guy and the picture of a young boy they may arrest, which one is more funny? Can you take out more funny? Can I do? At least into Akita is where arrest this guy. I have to go the high and mighty in Nigeria. I blew handcuff naka like this. But they to Akita is where they arrest the mathematical one, mama. Can you Sunday na that Fukewe is na to arrest ya? You got to go. Nene the picture now, boy. Choose the one you want on the day of Beke and Oyibo. Choose the one. He wanted to mock this guy. You wanted to mock a security man. You wanted to mock a guy that is just hustling to survive. Because Egypt police they make intimidation. Egypt police will intimidate here. It picture na online a bobo handcuff. Ki we go say na wo galadima. Na mgbedim ibeyu. Okwese na iwo oga. Oga talk to oga. Na mgbodogwu okwese na iwo odogwu. Ese na iwo Igbo ndo. Na mgbodogwu Polo nwere odogwu bia helugu na mkpọ. Na yu ke edoko oke. Na yu fe na agbagari ko ke mmiri mal. Na these two pictures, the one card actually more funny. It is very sad when people continue to do what they condemn. Now let me tell you something. When he was arrested, Mathias, his people started saying, "Why police Why can't police invite him?" I told her no. We actually took time trying to convince them that police may choose to invite you. Police may choose to come and pick you up. No, remember Bendosha. It is a civil case. It is a civil matter. Why will police come to arrest him? Police are sent their invite. Now, fast forward to Ifomel yesterday, and I asked myself, has the law of Nigeria changed from police sending invite to people who do involved in civil matters? For people who the crime they committed is just a civil offense, it's just a civil matter. Has it changed? Has the narrative changed? None of them for once post. She say, now suppose they send this guy invite. Why you arrested with the handcuffs? That is to show you the level of unbalanced Hanado in their sense of judgment. When I keep hammering them, I know what I am doing, because these are clearly people who know the truth, but they will keep running away from that truth. They keep running away from their shadows. Mathias, they arrested this guy, throw your handcuff, naka, say your tea on Facebook. They never for one day, she say, but why you arrest here? Can you koyega when it is just a civil matter according to their language? Because civil matter will not their national anthem. They commit a heinous crime and they draw it back to civil matter. Now, a Jew will say, why are they not talking about the mode Mathias arrested this guy? Why are they celebrating? By the way, they keep saying Ndoka Ndoka. Who even told them that this guy won yoga? Because for all I know, this guy made a video saying that Mathias angel Chineke Sunday from anywhere. He even condemned Ndoka for Ijo Chakamu na Gana Ife Sina Hana Ekpele. But because na interested in the matter, just to get to the root of something, they have generalized everybody. That they even forgot the same justice Hana appreciate. So now we have accepted now that it is okay for police to go to people's houses and go and arrest them through any means. They can bundle you, they can kick you, they can handcuff you, manaka manopa. For the record, agama bonite. Nene the two picture na be manu nke do funny. Manu nke mwolo mwe ga mo na nke ma no nya ka do too funny. he who lives in glass house don't throw stone. He who lives in glass house don't throw stone. When you condemn something today, make sure you don't do the same thing tomorrow. When you condemn something today, make sure you don't do the same thing tomorrow. Be a man of your word. Ezeaku has proven to be consistent. That is something you cannot beat. Yeah? You cannot beat that. When that guy made that statement 2 days ago, I came out. I condemned it, which has been my standing. But you people, you keep meandering. They were all making noise yesterday. Which noise are you making? Wasn't that what you were? If I had that guy, you could probably feel generalize it before. Now, freedom of speech. Was it not the same freedom of speech he enjoyed that that guy being a Ghana enjoyed? Was it not the same freedom of speech? Was it not the same freedom of speech that Mathias enjoyed that the same guy yesterday enjoyed? Why is his own freedom of speech different? Because he's a Christian and you are onye. Eh? So was it not the same system Mathias arrested this guy, the security guy? Case where they arrested Nampo. Why were you talking about inviting him and saying it is a civil matter? So has the guy committed changed from civil matter to a criminal matter? For as long as no natural was open on social media, you people will continue to cry. You will continue to shed tears. I am here to ensure that. In a fridge. Okay, my arrest made this guy. In a fridge. My bonite in another day. I don't know the day. I'm home, but like I said, I'm going to letter. Nene the 2 arrest photos in a molo. Careful. Security guy can we comport to do we go de wela ha na ewoga e na agbagari ka crayfish na agbagari ka buru no n'ime nkwo. The security guy can know how to comport himself na be arrest go na agbagari ka ukukeleku.